So if you clicked on this video, that means you are interested in losing weight as well. I just want to share how I've been losing weight, what my weight loss plans are, and things of that nature. So if you are interested in losing weight quickly, stay tuned for the rest of the video. I'm Barbie Angel and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be discussing weight loss, how to drop these pounds, how to get ourselves summer ready, even though outside is closed. We still try to look our best. We are not going to be in quarantine and just be gaining weight. No, sis, we're going to lose these pounds. We are going to get our waist snatched and we're going to be looking good out here, period. If you guys are new here, I have PCOS. And it's basically a hormonal imbalance, and with this hormonal imbalance, it causes me to gain a lot of weight quickly. So I am on a journey to kind of just get my body together, get my hormones together, get my skin together, and this is the process that I am taking. So basically what I've been doing to lose weight is I've been doing the keto diet as well as intermittent fasting. You don't know what the keto diet is, it's like very popular these days. So when you're on the keto diet, you have to monitor everything you're eating. You have to know how many carbs you're eating. You have to know how much fat you're intaking. You have to know how much protein you're intaking. For like fat and protein, I'm just starting to like track it on apps and things like that, just to kind of make sure that I'm like in ketosis and I'm staying, you know, how I'm supposed to be. I'm gonna look them up on my phone because there's some new ones that I just kind of got into. There is Carb Manager, there is the Keto Diet app, and then there is Zero. So the Zero app is what I use for my intermittent fasting. It just kind of, I put my start time and when I start fasting, and then I have my end time, and then I eat for that period of time, then I start it again, just to kind of keep track of what I'm doing and making sure that I'm staying in my time frame and I'm eating what I'm supposed to eat. So for me, what I do is I have only 20 grams of carbs per day. That's 20 grams of net carbs. So when you're looking for net carbs, you are just subtracting your total carbs from any label, and then you subtract that from like any fiber and then any like sugar alcohols that are added to the product. Like, it's extremely hard for me because I love bread, I love pasta, I love all things carbs. I am also West African, I'm Liberian, my husband is Nigerian, and he wants me to make rice and everything else every day. So yeah, it's a problem, it's an issue because I can't have carbs like that. So the keto diet is hard, I'm not gonna lie and say it's not hard, but once your body gets adjusted to it, once you familiarize yourself with the keto diet and the things that you can eat, the things that you can't eat, the variations or the substitutions that you can, you know, kind of input just to kind of help yourself along the way, it is something that is manageable. Like, I've done the keto diet many times before, but because of my polycystic ovarian syndrome, my weight comes right back. So for me, it has to be a lifestyle change, and that is the kind of the journey that I am on. The other thing that I am doing is the intermittent fasting. So with intermittent fasting, you basically have a set time frame of where you can eat, of when you can eat in a day, and then you have a set time frame of the time you have to fast, where you cannot eat anything until your next interval of the time when you can eat comes back. So for me, I do between an 18 to 20 hour fast every day. And then I'll do about 6 to 8 hours of eating time every day. So I'll skip breakfast, and then I won't eat till about 2, 3 o'clock, and then I'll eat at, you know, around that time. So yeah, that's what I do, and then I'll probably eat like 2 meals, honestly. And I feel like at first, when I was kind of like just getting back into the groove of things, it was hard. I was hungry, but now like I'm at like almost 2 weeks later, and I literally at times I forget to eat. Like, it'll be, for me, I don't eat past 7:30, or at least I try not to eat past 7:30. So if it'll be like 8:30, 9 o'clock, I'm like, oh snap, I didn't even eat. I only ate, you know, one time today. And then, like, you know, depending on if I feel hungry or whatever the case may be, if I do decide to eat, I'll eat, and then just kind of push my fasting time longer for the next day. But yeah, once your body gets adjusted to it, it's kind of like, you know, it happens so quickly, and the pounds drop off just as quickly as well. So that's why the keto diet works for me. And with polycystic ovarian syndrome, doctors actually do recommend for you to be on the keto diet, just because it improves your PCOS symptoms, it improves your health overall, it can reduce the risk of cancer, it improves your skin, your acne, it can reduce, you know, high blood pressure, diabetes, and things like that. So the keto diet is a very healthy lifestyle choice. If you do plan on doing it, or if you do look into it, it is a very healthy lifestyle choice. It's not for everybody. Some people, you know, may need those things in their diet. Some people may just feel like they don't want to take those things from their diet, or they don't want to deprive themselves of those type of things that they love. For me, like I said, said, I love carbs. I love snacking, and that's one thing on the keto diet, that there's a lot of substitutes. There's keto snacks, there's keto bread, there's keto pancakes, there's keto pasta, there's keto drinks. So for sugar, and that's another thing I forgot to mention, you don't, on a keto diet, no sugar. I have 20 grams of carbs a day. I have no sugar, and I eat in a specific time frame, and that is how I have been losing the weight. I am currently at the biggest weight that I have ever been in my entire life. I am still dropping pregnancy weight and all of that, but for full transparency, when I started my diet, I was at 250.8. Lord, I am now at 239.8. And I started my diet like about a week and a half ago. My goal weight is 170 pounds. That is my goal weight. That is my plan, to reach back to that weight. Honestly, I feel like that is when I am my best self, emotionally, mentally, physically, and that's where I want to be. So I have a long ways to go, but I plan on sticking through with this, and even after I lose the weight, I'm planning on maintaining a keto lifestyle, just because, like I said, it works best for me and for my personal health issues. It's the best thing for me, and I just want to take my, health serious at this point in my life. Like, I am pushing 30, and for this last year in my 20s, I'm trying to get it together. Like, I'm not trying to be all over the place. Like, outside is closed, we in quarantine, why not stay home and just get fit, And for me, when I'm on the keto diet, I don't exercise. Like, with PCOS, exercising, like high intensity workouts and stuff, don't really work for PCOS anyway. But for people that don't have health issues and you're just trying to lose weight, you don't have to exercise when you're on the keto diet. Honestly, the weight drops off just from you not having carbs and eating the proper meals. When I'm on the keto diet, I do count my calories as well. I try to stay under 1,300 calories a day. I know for some people they're like, that is not enough food. For me, honestly, it is. Like, I don't feel hungry. I'll literally forget to eat sometimes. Like, this is kind of like just an introduction of what I'm doing, so you guys can know what's coming up, so you can stay tuned. And if you're trying to lose weight too, you can follow the journey, follow along with me. We can lose these pounds together. But yes, so that's pretty much what I wanted to come on here and talk about, and just let you guys know what I'm doing. If you guys are interested in following along with me, I'm definitely going to be doing some recipes, and like I said, I have a huge grocery haul coming. When I do my grocery haul, 'cause I have bought so much stuff, guys. Like, I've ordered so many things. I got a problem with this quarantine, and I gotta get it together. But at least I'm not eating junk food, right? But yeah, so I've ordered a bunch of products, and when the products come, I'm definitely going to like do a video and show you guys everything that you need to get on the keto diet. And even if you don't get these products, I love eating good food. So for me, I need something that resembles bread. I need something that resembles pasta. I need something that I can have like pancakes and all of that. Like, I recently learned how to make keto cocktails, and I am loving life right now. So I'll definitely do videos on that, just showing like, you can still have a good time and drink on keto and all of this, all the good stuff. We on quarantine, we don't want to be bored and depriving ourselves. No, that's not a good look. But also, these pounds ain't a good look neither. These love handles is not a good look. So we got to get it together, girls. I hope this video is a little bit helpful so you can understand what the keto diet is. So yeah, that's basically what I've been doing. I am 11 pounds down. I have a long ways to go, but I am going to keep you guys updated. And if you guys are interested in joining me, we can, inspire each other, motivate each other. Leave it in the comments below, or you can DM me on my Instagram account at barb_angel. I feel very good. I am very excited for this journey. I am very excited to get myself together, to kind of take control of my body, because I'm tired. I am sick and tired of my body having control over me. So that is what I'm up to. Enjoying this weight loss journey with me. So if you guys are like interested in the keto diet and you don't know how to start, or you're kind of like concerned that you aren't gonna jump into ketosis, there is something that you can do called the egg fast. You just eat eggs for 3 to 5 days. If you guys are interested in that too, just leave a comment below, and I might like record me doing the egg fast, just so you guys can see how that works, and I can do like a before weight, and then in those 3 to 5 days, whatever I choose, I can show you how much weight I lose on that as well. So that might be something that could help you ladies as well. So like I said, if you're interested in that, leave a comment below, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. But that is pretty much it. I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys what I've been doing, what my plans are as far as weight loss. I know that it's the summertime. We're all in the house. This is the perfect time to get your body right. This is the perfect time to focus on you and care for yourself, ladies. This is the perfect time for all of those things. So, but yeah, if there's anything you guys want to know about the keto diet that I didn't touch on, if anything you want to know about intermittent fasting, I'll be glad to help you guys. 2020 is not how we thought it was going to be, but you know what? We're going to push through it. We're going to make it work. I am definitely determined to get back to what I was looking like before. And you know what? Just to get myself motivated, I'm gonna insert some clips just to show y'all what your girl used to look like before. Those clips that I'm going to insert are when I was on keto, when I was doing my thing, what I was supposed to be doing, and then, you know, but I need this gut to go. Like I said, I have so much more coming with the keto diet and the intermittent fasting, just so you guys can see, you know, how it works, what to do, and things like that. So that is it, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.